GCSE 9 to 1 Maths Higher Tier, looking at quadratic simultaneous equations in this video. To solve an equation with circle with a linear equation, okay, in this video lesson. So we have to solve the simultaneous equations x squared plus y squared equals 13 and x equals 5, x is equal to y minus 5. So step 1, label this as equation 1 and this as equation 2. I'm now going to substitute, okay, replace x with y minus 5 into equation 1. So I have an equation with just y's in it. So I'm going to have brackets y minus 5 all squared plus y squared. Okay, I'm now going to subtract here the 13 here on the right hand side. So put minus 13 to make it equal to 0 because I'm going to get a quadratic here. I can see, okay, I can see right now. So I'm going to obviously expand these double brackets. I'm going to have y minus 5 times y minus 5. Okay, we're going to have plus y squared or add y squared and then subtract 13 or minus 13 is equal to 0. I'm now going to expand the double brackets, okay, using FOIL, okay, or the arrow method, yeah, or the grid method. So we do y times y is y squared. Then I have y times minus 5 is minus 5y, minus another 5y again, so it makes minus 10y or 10y's. Then we got minus 5 times minus 5 makes plus 25. Okay, again, pause it to check if you're unsure. Okay, but I've done it in one go. You get y squared minus 5y minus another 5y plus 25. Okay, so collect like terms, you get y squared minus 10y plus 25 plus y squared minus 13 is equal to 0. I'm now going to collect my like terms. Okay, so y squared plus y squared makes 2y squared. Then I've got minus 10y plus 25 minus 13 makes plus 12 is equal to 0. Now this quadratic is divisible by 2, so I'm going to factor out a 2. I'm going to have 2 brackets. Okay, y squared minus 5y plus 6. So factorising, yeah, the 2 out, or factor the 2 out of all 3 terms, okay, because they're all even numbers, or even factors, you could say. Now I'm going to factorise this here. So it's a quadratic case, it's going to be a double bracket. It's going to be y minus 2 times y minus 3. Again, check if you're unsure. Okay, 2 numbers that add to make minus 5 and negative 5. And the same 2 numbers here that multiply or times to make plus 6. So that's going to be either when the first bracket, sorry, that would be when y is minus, sorry, when we have minus 2 and minus 3, sorry. So my solution is going to be y is equal to 2 from the first equation, or y is equal to 3 from the second equation, okay? That 2 at the front here has no bearing on the solution. It's just what I call a multiplier, okay? Now I know what y is. I can sub it into equation 1 or 2. 2 is going to be easier to work out the corresponding x values. So when y is 2, x is y minus 5, so 2 minus 5 is minus 3. Okay, and then when y is 3, okay, we have x is equal to 3 minus 5, which is minus 2 or negative 2. So the answer we get, guys, its coordinates is minus 3, 2 and minus 2, 3. That would be the coordinates of my intersection of the straight line graph or straight line equation with the equation of a circle. Okay, thank you very much.